Welcome to today's episode, where we embark on a financial growth and prosperity journey. In a world where opportunity knocks softly but wealth screams, join us today to learn the secrets of success. In this video, we'll be sharing 7 tried and tested methods for investing your hard-earned money in 2023 as an entrepreneur. So, grab a pen and paper and let's jump right in. Invest in gold and silver. First up, the treasure we can obtain naturally. When it comes to investing in gold and silver, finance guru and writer Robert Kiyosaki feels that these assets offer a safe refuge in a crumbling global economy. But here's the catch. Don't just go out and buy any silver or gold you can find. Kiyosaki tells his followers to conduct their homework and purchase the genuine article. Visualize your money growing, compounding, and creating a crescendo of wealth year after year. Are you ready to ride this roller coaster of financial triumph? Gold and silver is your answer. Real estate. Now, let's talk about real estate. It is that wonderland where bricks and mortar manifest into prosperity. Can you imagine your investment growing staggeringly, outpacing even the wildest dreams of many entrepreneurs? Not only can real estate offer spectacular appreciation, but it also whispers the sweet promise of rental income flowing steadily into your pockets. So, as we explore the world of property, our fellow wealth seekers, keep in mind that real estate isn't just a market, it's a treasure chest of opportunities waiting to be unlocked. Startups. Third on our list are startups. It's where innovation meets investment and fortunes are born. Starting a business can be daunting, but it's also one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. Dropshipping is an increasingly popular business model that has low overhead costs and high potential profits. The key to success lies in finding the right balance between product selection, marketing strategy, and customer retention. With the right approach, anyone can turn their dropshipping business into a thriving enterprise that provides a comfortable lifestyle and financial security. By investing in startups, you have the potential to earn significant returns if the venture becomes successful. With a professional and strategic approach, the world of startups offers you a seat at the table of innovation and profit. Diversify with stocks and mutual funds. Now, let's talk about the exciting world of stocks and mutual funds. Investing in the stock market can be profitable if done wisely. When it comes to investing in stocks, it's essential to conduct thorough research. If nothing else, think about Warren Buffett. He became the 5th richest person in the world with a net worth of $121.4 billion out of stock market and dividends. Here's the magic. When you invest in a mutual fund, your money joins forces with other investors, and together you buy a mix of different stocks and bonds. This diverse blend helps reduce risk because if one snack doesn't do well, you still have plenty of other delicious options. In simple terms, mutual funds are like a buffet of investments where you get a taste of many opportunities, making it a popular choice for those looking to grow their wealth with less risk. Make sure you have an impressive portfolio. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is like giving your money to people who need it and making some extra money in return. There are websites like Lending Club and Prosper that make it easy for you to do this. When you lend your money through these websites, you can earn extra money in the form of interest. It's a bit like a savings account, but you're lending to regular people instead of a bank. This can help your money grow and give you more income without doing much work. Peer-to-peer lending is a good way for you to be part of the financial world and help others who need money. It's a win-win situation because you make money and people who need loans get the help they need. Create a mobile app. Mobile apps are in high demand for small businesses that are eager to purchase them from you at a reasonable price. Not to mention how simple it is to make one, even if you don't have any programming knowledge. If you want to get into the app development world but don't know where to begin, platforms like Buildfire and Bubble can help. Individuals without coding expertise can utilize these user-friendly tools to construct fully working mobile applications that meet their specific demands. Once you've completed developing your app, Buildfire and Bubble's built-in validation capabilities verify a smooth user experience for your future app users. So go ahead, let your imagination run wild, and start your financial journey without any coding skills. The possibilities are endless. Selling digital products. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money passively. It involves promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can promote products on your blog, social media, or even through your YouTube channel. If you're knowledgeable about a subject, creating an online course is a great way to earn passive income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachables allow you to create and sell an online course on any topic, from cooking to coding. Once you create the course, you can make money every time someone purchases it. If you found today's insights valuable and are eager for more financial wisdom, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.